Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, I will show you how to check your personal information on PayPal. First, log into your PayPal account. Click on the gear icon, Settings, in the top right corner, under the Account Settings section. You'll see Personal Information. Click on it to view your name, address, phone number, and other personal details linked to your PayPal account. You can also edit any information here if needed. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.